Hello, my peeps. Hi. How are you doing? um, I thought with everything that's going on in the world, I would hop on here and weigh in. Um, so, my thoughts on what's going on. Obviously, I'm not going to give you guys any professional advice because I am not on the CDC board. But I just want to give my thoughts on how we can spend this time. The first thing I would say is definitely follow all the rules that are being put out there. Stay home and wash your hands. Practice sanitary lifestyle choices. But what I wanted to get on here and weigh in on is how can you spend this time in quarantine? And I am spending this time in quarantine catching up on rest. I am cleaning my closet out. I am deep cleaning my apartment. I am organizing all of this. That's how I'm spending today. I am reading, I am writing, and really, honestly, this is the best time to just be productive. Many of you who are typically going to work 9 to 5 are now at home, either working from home or you're getting paid time off or you're just not working. You know what? Sleep. Let your body catch up and just de-stress and take this time to be reflective and do some self-care. They're calling it a coronacation. I think that's the most positive way to look at it is, yeah, it sucks that we have to be in quarantine, and it sucks that this virus is hurting people and that it is a pandemic and that we're going through this, but there's always a positive to everything. And the positive side of this is you've been given a chance to rest, and that is a blessing. For those of you that are experiencing hardship because of this, my heart goes out to you. My prayers go out to you. For those of you that this is not restful for, I hope that every resource that you need comes your way. And I do apologize if this sounds insensitive. I don't mean it that way at all. But yeah, I mean, let's be restful. Let's be productive. Spend quality time with the people you love, those that you're living with. And yeah, I wish you guys all the best. Also, to stay positive, on a positive note, I am teaming up with Pivot Movement, the organization that I founded, Making Dreams Come True. We are hosting an event in May. Here's some more information about it. And so please look into this awesome workshop and support it in any way you feel led. And if you want to be part of it, reach out. Because there are good and positive things coming up ahead. This storm will end, and then we will party. I don't know about you, but I'm honestly planning on putting on my best party dress and just going out on the town once this clears. So whoever wants to join me, slide into my DMs. All right. I hope you guys have a great productive day at home. Stay safe, and I will check in later.